Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of cosine x times 1 plus sine 2x dx. Okay, you can solve this integral using the substitution rule. So if you write sine x as u, and if you take the derivative from each side of this equation, you'll conclude cosine x dx will be equal to du. Okay, so all you need to do here is now to basically substitute these two equations into this integral. Therefore, you can rewrite this integral as, instead of 1 plus sine 2x, I write 1 plus u2, because sine x is u, therefore sine 2 will be equal to u2. And instead of cosine x times dx, I write du, because cosine x dx is equal to du. Okay, so integral of 1 plus u2 du will be equal to integral of 1 is equal to u, integral of u2 is equal to u3 divided by 3 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. So all you need to do here is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, which is sine x. Therefore, this one will be equal to sine x plus sine 3x divided by 3 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.